Well, hi, hello my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Right up to now I uploaded video lectures on the topic Newton's law of motion. In this topic I explain Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, applications of Newton's first law, second law and third law. These are all I discussed in previous lectures, and applications of law of conservation of momentum I discussed, and apparent weight of a person in a lift, whether lift is moving upward and whether lift is moving downward. These are all concepts I discussed in previous lectures. So please go to the previous lectures for better understanding. So today I am going to discuss numericals related with pulleys and wood mission. So first question, example 1. By what acceleration the body or the boy must go up so that 100 kgs block remains stationary on the wedge is fixed and it is a smooth. So this is a smooth surface. Here on this wedge one block is placed. That block mass is given. That mass of block is given capital M, that is equal to 100 kg. Here mass of boy is given 50 kg. What we need to find here? Acceleration we need to find. Acceleration A we need to find. Acceleration value we need to find in this question. So for this, here observe carefully. Whether we place one block on wedge, so definitely this will be mg sin theta, because here angle I consider as theta. Definitely this is mg sin theta, and here some tension force is acting. This is a tension T, here this tension T. So from this is a tension force T is acting. So what they given? Wedge is fixed. Here this is a wedge is fixed, and block remains stationary. Block remains stationary. They given. So block remains stationary is given. So that means acceleration is equal to 0 here. Acceleration is equal to 0. There is no acceleration. For this one, observe carefully. Upward force is equal to downward force. T is equal to mg sin theta. Here theta value is given 53 degrees. In this question, theta value is given 53 degrees. So for this one, T is equal to M. M means 100 kg. G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Sin 53 degrees. What is the value of sin 53? Already we know tan 53. Tan 53 is equal to 4. Tan 53 is equal to 4 by 3. Tan 53 is equal to 4 by 3. So observe carefully. So this is 53 degrees. This is the opposite side. This is adjacent side. Then definitely this is 5. So then sin 53 is equal to, from this, sin 53 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equal to 4 by 5. So that is equal to 4 by 5. So sin 53 degrees is equal to 4 by 5. Substitute here. 100 into 10 into 4 by 5. So from this 5 2's. So finally what we got? 8 into 100, 800 newtons. So tension force we got, tension force T is equal to 800 newtons. So finally we got here tension force T is equal to 800 newtons. Next, Right here, block remains stationary. That means here acceleration is equal to 0 for the block. So we got tension force T is equal to 800 newtons. Okay. So what we need to find here, at what acceleration the buoy must go upward so that 100 kgs block remains stationary. Acceleration of buoy we need to find. Acceleration of buoy we need to find. Right. So for finding acceleration of buoy, so here acceleration of buoy. So acceleration of buoy. Buoy goes up. Buoy goes up. That means moves upward. Moves upward. Acceleration of buoy. Acceleration of buoy. We need to find. Acceleration of buoy. How to find? Here. Observe here. Buoy is there here. So then from this, FBD for buoy. FBD for buoy. Observe carefully. This is here buoy. So how many forces acting here? This is here is one force. One force is acting mg, and this is small m, small mg, and here tension force is acting T. Acceleration is acting upward direction. Acceleration is acting upward direction. From this, net force is equal to P minus mg. Here MA is equal to MA plus mg is equal to T. That means T is equal to M into A plus G. M into A plus G. Here tension force already we know, that is the tension force is equal to 800. M value is given 50 kgs. Mass of the buoy is 50 kg into acceleration we don't know, plus G value is 10. So G value is 10. From this 0 cancel, 5 40s, sorry, so 5 16s, 5 16s we got here. So that is 16. Finally what we got here, 16 is equal to A plus 10. Then A is equal to 16 minus 10, it is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 meters per second square. So acceleration of buoy adds force E is equal to 6 meters per second square. Okay, A is equal to 6 meters per second square. This is a solution of this question. I hope you all understood this question. So if you'll get any doubt while solving this question, while watching this lecture, please mention in comment box. Now I am going to discuss second problem, the most important problem, second problem. Well, to continuing my lecture on numericals related with pulleys and wood mission and wedges. So problem number 2, observe carefully what is given in the adjacent figure. So we need to draw the figure. So one figure is given here. So here that figure is, I'll draw here. Here one figure is given. Okay. So this is the figure. We point out. Here is the blocks. One block, the second block. So these are connected to here. And here is another block. So we are placing. So here is angle is 60 degrees. Here angle is 30 degrees. Here angle is 30 degrees. This is block A. This is block A. This is block B. This is block C. This is block C. 3 blocks given. Okay. This is 30, 60, 30, and this is a given data. So this is a figure, given figure. So what is given data? What we need to find? If any question is given, these two are important. What is given data? In the adjacent figure, this is a figure. Masses of A, B, C is given. Mass of A is equal to 1 kg given. Mass of B is equal to 3 kg given. And mass of C is equal to 2 kg given. So masses are given. Next, G value is 10 meter per second square is given. 10 meter per second square G value. This is given data. So what we need to find here? Acceleration of the system we need to find. Tension in the strings we need to find. So for finding acceleration, first of all, acceleration formula. What is acceleration formula? Acceleration A is equal to net force by total mass. Net force by total mass. So this is a formula, acceleration formula this is. So now net force, and net force how to find? For finding net force, observe carefully here. A, B, C is given. So mass of A is given 1 kg. Mass of B is given 3 kg. Mass of C is given 2 kg. Here in this side 1 plus 3 total 4 kgs. This side total 4 kgs. This side only 2 kgs. Definitely the string will move in this direction. Definitely string will move in this direction. So string will move in this direction, and here the string will move here upward direction. Here string will move upward direction. Observe, because it is 1 plus 3 4 kgs. This is 2 kgs, because here 4 kgs is greater than 2 kgs or not. 4 kgs is greater than 2 kgs. So here, so acceleration is definitely in this direction. Here acceleration is in this direction. So observe carefully here. And tension force. Here tension force is T1. Here in this side also T1. Here tension force is T2. Tension force T2 is acting here. So this is a diagram. Net force. So for finding this, definitely we know that here MA plus MB is greater than MC. MA plus MB is greater than MC. So apply concept whenever we are placing any block on wedge. We are taking definitely MAG sine 60 degrees plus MBG sine 60 degrees minus MCG sine, what is here, 30 degrees. So this is net force. We got the net force here. So from this MA already we know. MA is 1 kg, G value is 10. G value is 10 is given, sine 60 root 3 by 2 plus MB value is 3 kg, G value is 10, sine 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Here MC is 2 kg, G value is 10, sine 30 1 by 2. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So from this, what we got? So here 10 is there, here 10 root 3 is there, here 10 root 3 is there, 10 root 3 by 2. We got here 10 root 3, 10. So in all the, here 10 is there, 10 is common it. So here we got root 3 by 2. Here also 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. Here 10 we common it. 20 by 2. Here minus is there. Minus 20 by 2. Okay. So from this. So here 10 by 2 is as a common, by 2 also common. So finally we got root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 20. Root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 20. So minus 20. So finally we got here 24, which is 5. Okay. So 1.732 plus 3 into 1.732. 1 into root 3 plus 3 into root 3. 4 root 3 or not? 4 root 3 minus 20. So finally we calculate this. We got 24.64. 24.64 newtons. So net force we got 24.64 newtons. So net force we got. Next, total mass. Total mass. So here total mass MA plus MB plus MC. MA plus MB plus MC, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2. So that means 4 plus 2, 6 kgs. Total mass is 6 kgs. So how to find acceleration? So acceleration is equal to formula. Acceleration is equal to, so here acceleration is equal to acceleration is equal to here acceleration A is equal to net force. Net force is what we got here. Net force, total net force we got 24.64 newtons. By total mass we got 6 kgs. Total mass we got 6 kgs. Totally answer for this question 4.1 meter per second. 4.1 meter per second square. This is acceleration. Next, tension in the strings. How to find tension in the strings? Tension in the strings. So for finding tension in the strings, first one, tension in the strings. Here, so this is a block B. This is block B. This is a tension T1. So this is a block B. Block B mass is a 3 kg. 3 kg. Here we got tension in this direction T2. Here acceleration is downwards. So this is acceleration is downwards. This is one thing here. This is a FBD for block FBD for, so we consider FBD for block B. FBD for block B. We consider here. Next, so from this, so this is a T2, T1 and A. Okay, so we got like this. So next diagram. Next diagram, FBD for block C. FBD for block C. FBD for block C, how we draw? So this is a wedge. So this is a C, and here is and here one more force is acting now. That is a MBZ sine 60 degrees. MBZ sine 60 degrees is acting here. So here MCG sine 60 degrees and tension force T2 is acting in this direction. Here acceleration is acting downward direction. So from this and from this, how to got here? Here apply MBG sin 60. So this is FBD for block B, and this side two forces are acting, and this side only T1 is acting. From this, say acceleration is downward direction, so definitely MB into A is equal to which is greater here, T2 plus MBG sin 60 degrees, minus T1. So MBG sin 60 degrees minus T1. From this, MC into acceleration A is equal to T2 MCG sin 60 minus T2. So from this, T2 is equal to MCG sin 60 degrees minus MC into A. So for this one, MC value is 2, G value is 10, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, minus MC value is 2, acceleration value is 4 point. What is acceleration? We got a few minutes back. So we got 4.1 meter per second square. 4.1 meter per second square. This is acceleration. So from this T2 value, finally we calculate this. So finally we calculate this 4 point. So what we got here, T2. So finally we got a T2 value is 4.56. This is 4.56 newtons. 4.56 newtons. So if you substitute T2 value here, T2 value is MB value is 3 into 4.1. T2 value is 4.56 plus MB value is 3 into 10 into sin 60 means root 3 by 2 minus T1. We are solving this equation. T1 is equal to, so from this T1 is equal to, we got 18.2 newtons. 18.2 newtons. So this is a T1 value and this is a T2 value. Acceleration value is 4.1 meter per second square. So this is a solution for second question. This is about problems related with the wedges and pulleys. Okay. So next lecture I'll discuss some more numericals related with this pulleys and wedges. So, and I'll come back with new concepts and newer problems. Thank you for watching my lectures. Thank you for encouraging me. I hope you all understood this lecture. Thank you so much.